Hello everyone, I hope you are well. The excitement of holidays, the workload, and everything in between is not too overwhelming for you. I hope you are managing with the workload in your life and finding some time for crafting as well. Today we will make these beautiful and easy snowflakes for our Christmas decoration. You can use these snowflakes on your Christmas tree, for your gift wrapping, or any other decoration on Christmas. These snowflakes are made in just 3 rounds. They work up really quick because they are just 3 rounds, and you can use any scrap yarn that you have. You can see the difference between these two whites as well. This is more creamy and this is more white, and they are quite easy. I have made a loop as well so that they are easy to hang, display. All you need to make these snowflakes is some scrap yarn in white of your choice and your crochet hook. Let's start. We'll start our snowflake by making slip knot and making a chain of 5. After making 5 chains, we will join first and last chain to make a loop. In this loop circle, we will make our double crochets. Hold this loose end, this tail, to get away from your crochet hook, and we will make our first chain 3, which will be our first double crochet. After making chain 3, 2 more chains. This will be our first double crochet and 2 chains. Now we will go back in this circle and make our next double crochet. 2 chains and next double crochet. If you look at these snowflakes, you can see that in first round we have made 6 double crochets and chain 2 spaces. So we will do the same. We have made 3 double crochets and this is our 2 chain. Now we will make our 4th double crochet, 2 chains. After chain 2, we will make our next double crochet, and now we are crocheting above our loose end as well. Let's count once how many double crochets we have. We have 6 double crochets, and we will make chain 2 and join with the first chain 3, and this will be our circle, starting circle. In the next round, we are making granny clusters or 3 double crochets in each chain 2 space. So to make our first cluster, we will go slip stitch and go to the first chain 2 space and make chain 3, which will be first double crochet, then second double crochet and third double crochet. This is our first cluster. After making first cluster, we will chain 3 and in next chain 2 space we will make next cluster or shell. So 3 double crochet, 3 chain, that's the repeat. This is last chain 2 space and this will be our last cluster. Last chain 3 and we will join with our first chain 3, our first cluster. Let's have a look. So this is a circle, and now we will start our third and last round to make these peaks edges. Again, to start our next round we will slip stitch to the chain 3 space, make chain 3, slip stitch, chain 5, this is 5th chain, slip stitch, chain 3, slip stitch. Now again we will slip stitch and come to this next chain 3 space. Again chain 3, 2 and 3, slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch, chain 3, and in this way you will complete your star. This is our last chain 3 space, and we will make last set of peaks. Chain 3 and slip stitch. At this point, if you want, you can cut your yarn and weave in the end after securing it, or you can make a loop like this. If you are planning to hang it somewhere, then of course you will need some kind of loop spot to hang it. Let's make a small chain. Just a reasonably long chain we will slip stitch it. Cut our yarn and then secure. Let's fasten it. I just slip stitch the tail end a couple of times and secure it. Let's weave in the ends. There are just two ends, two tails to weave in. I'm going in between my double crochets and pulling this tail. So here are our 3 snowflakes. You can also see the difference of 3 different types of yarns. This one is quite thick, at least 4 weight. This is a bit medium and this is quite lightweight. You can also try making these snowflakes in thread if you feel comfortable using it, and if you are using thread or very lightweight yarn like this one, try spraying it with starch so that it gives it more structure and shape. So with this word of advice, suggestion, I'll see you next time with another interesting project to make our festive season even more enjoyable. So take care.